there, this is FT. We are in Thessaloniki, my hometown, and on this video I'm gonna go and meet some people, some vloggers. They're part of a European program that they go all around Europe, and today they're visiting Thessaloniki.
All sorts of things.
So guys, this little market.
Hi Louis!
What up?
Louis is one of the two travelers on this.
Yeah.
So tell me, what exactly is your project that you do?
Our project is called the Road Trip Project. It's a project which is funded by the European Commission. And actually what we're trying to do is to put Europe in a new light, and yeah, in a certain way make it cool again. Like we're trying to promote some places we want to see, talk about the people who live in different countries. Also, like you do, we want to talk about their food, what they're doing with what their food culture is all about and everything.
Wait, we have lots of.
They're making fireworks over there.
Yeah. How tall you are?
I'm 1.97 m.
Wow.
Like yeah, I'm a tall guy.
Yeah. So how long are you gonna be traveling?
We will be traveling for 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah, for one entire month, yeah.
What do you usually do? Are you a student or you?
I work. Like
okay.
I just finished school. I'm an educator for people with a mental and physical disability.
Wow, well done.
And besides that, I make my own music as well. In Belgium, yeah, I just started rapping. I just dropped my first video clip. So yeah,
nice.
That's the thing that I'm doing. And besides that, enjoying life.
So now you took a month off for
yeah,
this
I
project,
took a month off. Yeah, exactly. So it's not really holiday, but it feels like holiday. But yeah, we're still working, trying to make some great footage and meet great people such as you. And yeah, that's why we're here actually.
Thanks. Cool.
Louisa.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Berlin, Germany.
Berlin, Germany, and
This is
Louis
Louis, and
from
he's
Belgium.
Antwerp, exactly. Antwerp in Belgium.
We've been to Berlin, we've been to Antwerp. So,
How many people?
How many people do this project? Yeah.
So there is 4 different routes. We are the Mediterranean route right now, and so there is Louis and I, and there's 3 more couples that gonna go on the route. But we're not, like Louis and I, we're not traveling on our own, but there is all in all, it's 5 people in a van.
Wow.
And we have 2 people for the camera and the editing, and 1 person who's fixing everything for us, booking and everything. So 5 people on a road.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Enjoy Greece.
Thank you.
Bas is the cameraman, yes?
Yeah.
You have 2 cameras or 1, or
I have
how
2.
you work with the filming of this adventure?
They do all the images and I do just the pretty images.
Ah, okay. So they vlog and you also take a video?
Yeah.
Okay, because we have lots of tech people on the channel, what your gear?
I'm using an A7S with a Canon lens, 24-70, but normally I have a FS7. That's my baby. Sony FS7, the big one. That's my baby.
Yeah,
but
that's
now
small
for traveling,
travel, yes.
for traveling, this is perfect, and the image quality is
Really good.
amazing.
Cool.
Yeah.
Enjoy Greece.
Thank
I think there are lots of nice things to capture.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do you edit this yourself? Yeah.
I edited this myself. Yeah.
When?
Tonight.
Tonight. Every night you edit.
Yeah.
So and when do you upload?
This night, and
Oh, wow.
then they put in Brussels. They put subtitles on it, and tomorrow it will be online.
Oh wow! So it's like a living project.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I'll be
really
dead
interesting.
after 30 days. I'll be dead.
And you also have a drone here, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
DJI.
Did you get any good shots of Thessaloniki?
Not yet.
Not yet?
First, I try to stay out of the cities.
Yeah.
But maybe if there's time, I'll get
Okay.
Bye bye.
Enjoy the rest of the trip.
Thank you.
Looking forward to see your videos. Bye.
Bye.
Same as you, man.
So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.